This truck found itself suspended a staggering 100 feet above ground, presenting an unparalleled challenge for the rescue crew tasked with its retrieval. Yet, undeterred by the perilous height, these fearless heroes embarked on a heart-stopping mission to free the trapped vehicle. Just as despair threatened to engulf her, a band of courageous rescuers emerged, their timing impeccable as they swooped in to snatch this woman from the jaws of danger, delivering her to safety.
Other side! Other side!
Ripped from the road's grasp by a violent collision, this woman's car plunged into the depths of the riverside. Within moments, the rescuers arrived, plucking her from the waters. Miraculously, she emerged with only minor injuries. Two women, a school bus driver and monitor, sustained injuries while bravely rescuing two children during a powerful flood. Their ingenious use of interconnected seatbelts prevented anyone from being swept away. Thanks to their efforts, the rescue operation succeeded. While the car may have suffered damage, the driver finds solace in the healing of their heart, buoyed by the overwhelming support received from strangers. The power of kindness has the ability to empower individuals to achieve seemingly impossible feats like moving a car. In the midst of busy and dangerous traffic, an elderly woman found it challenging to cross the street, seemingly unnoticed by passing cars. Suddenly, a hero emerged. A compassionate young man stopped his vehicle in front of the oncoming traffic. With a selfless gesture, he created a safe passage for the woman to cross. While the driver of the white car callously ignored the elderly woman in need of assistance, the driver of the black vehicle exhibited true valor and compassion, embodying the qualities of a real gentleman. Upon stumbling upon a bound and concealed turtle, these compassionate souls sprang into action. With deft hands and hearts filled with empathy, they embarked on a mission to breathe life back into this helpless creature. Through their unwavering dedication, they succeeded in restoring vitality to the turtle. In a distressing predicament, a poor dog found itself entangled in barbed wire, enduring immense pain. Luckily, a young man discovered it and helped it escape from this predicament. They may not don capes like Superman, but their actions make them heroes deserving of heartfelt appreciation. In the future, when their children inquire about how they first crossed paths, she'll fondly recount the tale of how her father rescued her. A small hockey player stumbled and struggled to rise, but his opponent extended a helping hand, aiding him back onto his feet. So sweet. My heart melted when I saw this pure friendship. The Ocala Police Department shines as one of the nation's finest. Its officers not only excel in their duties, but also possess the remarkable ability to brighten people's days with their compassionate actions.
I mean, me out of all people, thank you, Jesus.
Witnessing a couple of kids on the roadside pleading for food, an officer sprang into action. He purchased them a hot dinner, ensuring they not only received nourishment but also made sure they ate their meal. Responding to a call about a gas leak, he ensured the safety of the children involved before going above and beyond, laying on the ground to play with them and their dolls, demonstrating his genuine care and compassion. Facing a challenging situation, a paralyzed woman found herself stranded on the 31st floor while her apartment lay on the 44th. The local fire department, in a heartwarming display of compassion, dispatched a squad of 3 firefighters to provide her with the lift she needed, ensuring her safety and well-being. While many aspire to be celebrities, the true role models we should emulate are thoughtful givers like the one who generously pays for strangers' groceries at the supermarket. One precious life saved. A retired bricklayer and his penguin friend share an extraordinary bond. He rescued the penguin a decade ago, nursing it back to health. Now the penguin visits annually, choosing his backyard over its species for mating season. Their friendship epitomizes compassion and cross-species connection. The Gonzalo family was astonished when they opened their front door to find David Beckham standing before them, but the surprises didn't end there. Beckham brought generous gifts for the family: 7 brand new iPhones and a check for $100,000. Despite facing numerous challenges in his own life, he remained steadfast in his commitment to aiding others. Even while he was eating, he selflessly offered her his meal. The world is indeed filled with kind-hearted individuals like him. Let's tip our hats to the remarkable generosity of the young man. True kindness shines when you selflessly act for someone who may never be able to repay you. In a heartbreaking moment, when this team tragically lost one of their own, they honored him by allowing him to score a final goal before bidding him farewell for eternity. When he picked up the ball, the girl appeared very upset and on the verge of tears. Initially, he might not have realized this, but as soon as he did, he decided to give it to her as a special souvenir for this match. This heartwarming moment captures the joyous reunion between Kiara, the lioness, and her adoptive human father. For 2 decades, this individual has cultivated a remarkable friendship with a tiger shark named Emma. As a shark trainer, his primary role is to showcase that these formidable predators are capable of gentleness and kindness. This gentleman brightened the woman's day with a simple yet heartfelt gesture when he noticed she appeared a bit downcast. In this social experiment, individuals demonstrated their innate kindness by passing the test with flying colors. Physical and social barriers can frequently alienate disabled individuals from their communities. But these compassionate boys took it upon themselves to ensure their classmate felt embraced and included. A surprise reunion between the daughter and her family after 4 years apart. The arrival of a younger brother brought tears of happiness and joy to the elder one's eyes as soon as he laid eyes on him. This couple endured a separation of 193 days, longing to be reunited with each other. Thank God, someone found a dog that had fallen into a frozen lake. It's unknown how much longer it could have endured. Initially, it may seem like they are simply greeting the young men. However, upon closer inspection, it becomes evident that the dogs are actually inviting these individuals to follow them.
Oh, we gotta save the dog.
Their act of kindness thawed not only the frozen swan, but also the hearts of those witnessing the rescue. This deer got its antlers stuck in a hammock, initially scared of humans, but after realizing they only wanted to help, it cooperated. With neighbors always ready to lend a hand in clearing the snow, the cold could never bother us.
That's for you. Make sure your daddy buys you dog food later. And some treats, some Scooby snacks.
This dog has earned money for its owner through the compassion of animal lovers.
He's a cute one. You cute one. All right, buddy. Everybody get in there.
Baby.
Everybody get in there.
Say happy birthday!
The family orchestrated a delightful surprise for their grandma's 70th birthday celebration at Disneyland.
All right, people are trying to get pictures.
Feeling extremely downhearted upon realizing she didn't have enough money to buy anything at McDonald's, an elderly lady's spirits were lifted when an employee offered her a meal, leaving her overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. A disabled man was spotted window shopping for a phone despite lacking funds. The narrative takes a heartwarming turn when the author of the video steps in and purchases an iPhone for him. The girl deeply missed her dad, yet she never anticipated that the magic show would culminate in such a heartwarming and joyful reunion. This exemplifies the true essence of friendship. Remember that every small action can make a difference in someone's life. There's no need to wait for ideal circumstances to start. Every day, every second is an opportunity to spread goodness. We are not just individuals, but part of a larger community. So let's stand together, let's share together, and let's create a world where everyone feels loved and valued. Subscribe to the channel today and be part of the positive change we want to see in this world.
Tôi kỷ luật với chính tôi, không buông thả lười biếng. Tôi đồng hành cùng đồng đội, không gây mâu thuẫn nội bộ, mất đoàn kết. Tôi là nhân, mọi thứ đến với tôi đều là quả. Và cuối cùng là xin hãy cho con thấy lỗi của chính mình. Cảm ơn anh chị em đã lắng nghe chia sẻ. Rất mong nhận được sự đóng góp ý kiến từ anh chị em. Chào anh chị em.